Hello guys, good day and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to teach you how to enter sniper entry. What do you need to look at for before you place a trade like this? You can see this is today's trade, right? And then I currently had $1 and I've been able to move that $1 to $28. Okay, what do you need to look out for? The first thing first is I've done a video where I talked about entry, right? Yes, I've also done a video where I talked about psychology. So do well to watch that video. Before you enter a trade like this, first and foremost, you currently need to understand psychology very well. You also currently need to understand the structure of the market. You need to know what the market is doing rather. So you can see this first trade was my first entry was my first trade. So over here I entered this particular trade with 0.005. This is volatility 75 first series, and you guys know how it's very, very aggressive. You guys currently know how it's very, very aggressive, right? So when I did enter this trade with 0.005, and then the market was consolidating, there was a whole lot of consolidation. So market was not moving up, was not moving down. It was consolidating. So I saw this head and shoulder pattern. Then from the highest time frame, which is a daily, I saw a kind of rejection. Yes, remember my second to my last video, I said market got to a certain price, which was 12,000, and is currently crushing down. Yes, that was the highest high the market has ever made in the history of volatility 75 first series. So market will retest before pushing further. So having a sell entry will be the best. So when I spotted this entry, I actually came lower down to 1 minute on my computer, and then I analyzed this trade. I saw an head and shoulder pattern. Despite the consolidation, I saw an head and shoulder pattern here. Currently saw an head and shoulder pattern here. So when I saw the head and shoulder pattern, I waited for the consolidation, then I entered a sell with 0.05, which I held up to this point. So you just can imagine how many pips from year to year, right? So after then, I decided to enter another entry. So which is currently what I am holding right now. So without psychology, and entering this trade wasn't easy. I remember how many times market came back to retest. So holding this kind of trade is psychology and practice is what I would advise you to do. Always practice, even with the demo account, always practice. This is not demo account, this is real account. Yes, it's not demo account, this is real. I don't want to really show that right now, but this is real account. So how do you know this is real account? If I show you my history, you'll see where I used to withdraw. But this, you can see daily agent commission, so definitely this is not a demo account. So this is how I've been taking this sniper entry, and psychology is what I can easily say is the secret of this entry. Psychology, mastering your psychology, conquering fear. Yes, if you can do this with $1, you can as well do this with a bigger amount. Yes, and understanding psychology are also understanding entry. Study your loss size very well for that pair. Backtest it to know how aggressive that loss size is. Yes.